How do you go about negotiating a property when the seller's going through bankruptcy? If it's a Chapter 7, you can't touch it. If it's a Chapter 13 and they only filed the bankruptcy to stop a foreclosure, for an example, and they want to sell the house, then you can have their bankruptcy attorney dismiss the Chapter 13, and you can have the property under contract and you can turn around and flip it. Now, I suggest that you can get a property under contract, but don't have them dismiss the bankruptcy until you actually find your buyer. You don't want to have them dismiss the bankruptcy and go, oh, sorry, I got to cancel my contract because I can't find a buyer. That'd be a really bad thing to do. Make sure you get the property under contract that you know that you can get a buyer for it, or get it under contract, find the buyer, and then have the attorney, bankruptcy attorney, dismiss that bankruptcy.